If you've ever used a video app to unlock the potential of your mobile phone's camera, you've probably heard of or have downloaded Filmic Pro. It's one of the best filmmaking apps out there. However, I've recently been a big fan of Protake. I like their design, but things change. Take a look at both user interfaces side by side. Notice anything missing? Something Filmic Pro has that Protake doesn't? Yep, it's these two thingies right here. Quiz time. What word is used to describe these two symbols? You have 3 seconds. The answer is reticles. Reticles are the circular and square-shaped objects in the center of your camera's screen that give you instant one-touch focus and exposure. Filmic Pro has them, Protake doesn't. So, what's that matter? The focus and exposure reticles in Filmic Pro give you the ease of point-and-shoot experience while maintaining high bit rates, picture profiles, and all the other higher functions that come along with this app. Moving the focus reticle will set focus on whatever is inside the square, just as moving the exposure reticle will set exposure by taking a reading from what's in that circle. You also have the option to expand each reticle for autofocus and auto exposure by double tapping each reticle. And to lock focus or exposure, simply tap once. The current value is locked when these reticles turn red. To unlock them, tap again and they turn white. This is great when you don't want these settings to change while filming. This is especially important for exposure, but I'll get to why in just a second. And to return to the original settings, double tap again. So why is this especially helpful with exposure? Well, when filming, if the exposure isn't locked, you may get unattractive and distracting automatic changes as the camera adjusts to different lighting to the video as you move. So remember to lock exposure to avoid this problem. But what I like most about this function on Filmic Pro is that you can instantly get great silhouettes with the exposure reticle. It's a bit trickier with Protake.
Yep.
Simply place your subject between the camera and the setting or rising sun, set focus on your subject, and move your exposure reticle to the circle outside of your subject, more toward the background or the sky. This will give you that nice contrast you find in a silhouette. Try it out yourself. So today, Filmic Pro takes the prize. Reticles are useful. I wonder if Protake is watching. And if you're still watching, thanks. I hope that you found this video useful. If so, click like, hit subscribe, and check out some of these videos.